I typically wear my hair naturally curly. I've been switching it up and doing blowouts recently, so my hair is uber dry. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear that? It is uber crunchy, and nobody wants crunchy hair, right? Hey everybody, I'm Tippi Shorter, Global Artistic Director with Mizani. On today's episode of Beauty Homeschool, we're going to talk about pre-shampoo treatments for your hair and your scalp and why you should incorporate it into your home treatment. I've been wearing a blowout for 10 days. Yes, I have made my blowout last for 10 whole days. I've been trying to make my hair last because I've been doing videos like this. So I am really ready to give my hair tons of nourishment, get these ends together, and go back to my natural curly style for a few days. So the tools that I need for my pre-shampoo treatment are the anti-dandruff shampoo from the Scalp Care line from Mizani and the Moroccan clay steam mask. The real importance of this is one, making sure that my scalp is nourished, my scalp is hydrated, my scalp is feeling refreshed, because we all know that a healthy scalp equals healthy hair. So we're going to start with the scalp bit. And next we're going to move into the hair. Again, I typically wear my hair naturally curly. I've been switching it up and doing blowouts recently, so my hair is uber dry. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear that? And look at these ends. I also have my little dish here just to pour my anti-dandruff shampoo in, so I'm not trying to like squeeze this bottle into my head. My little clips to keep my hair sectioned. My paddle brush and a wide tooth comb if I need to detangle my hair. Because my hair is textured, I'm not going to try to detangle my hair while it's dry and in this crunchy state. I'm going to make sure that it is softened by the conditioner first. But we're going to start with the scalp. Yes, that is new growth. Yes, that is gray. Do not judge me. We have not seen our stylist. You know that. I know that. So, all right, we're going to pretend that we don't even see that. All right, so we're going to section the hair into 4. I want to make sure that my curls are luscious and shiny and supple and look and feel hydrated and definitely not crunchy. So doing this pre-treatment ahead of time is super essential for me to have really popping curls at the end. Anti-dandruff shampoo. Also, let me add that this has peppermint oil and cucumber extract, which is really great for soothing the scalp. All right, so I'm going to pour a little bit in here. That. And now that my hair is sectioned, I'm just going to go ahead, put a little bit on my fingers and rub it through. And then just starting in the front, I'm just going to take a large section and just run it through my scalp. So keep in mind, this is a shampoo, so what's going to happen as soon as I get into the shower, which is what I'm going to do, after this has sat for about 30 minutes, I'm just going to get in the shower and rinse my hair and allow the shampoo to start lathering, and then that's when I'm going to go in and really start, massaging my scalp to lather the shampoo and activate it even further. All right, so I've got the scalp nice and saturated with the anti-dandruff shampoo and moving into the hair. So here I'm going to start in the back, taking a small amount, starting on my ends, because my ends are what is the driest, and literally my hair feels like butter the moment I put this in my hair. This is really great, obviously not just for textured hair, but if you've got color treated hair, you've got coarse hair, you are someone who is prolonging your blowout, so you just want to give a little extra treatment before shampooing. This is really, really great to do. So this is something you can do at night as an overnight treatment for the hair portion. I wouldn't do the scalp portion overnight. The scalp portion I would do only as long as an hour prior to shampooing. All right, so now I've got my ends hydrated, my anti-dandruff shampoo working on the inside, and so this would be a really great time to go ahead and massage. Make sure to spread that all around. So at this point, I will put my hair in a couple of clips, put put a plastic cap on and wrap a towel around it and just like hang out for like an hour. All right, so I'm gonna shampoo my hair twice. So as you remember, I've got the anti-dandruff shampoo in. I'm gonna hop in my shower, let the water run over. It's gonna lather, and then that is gonna be my first shampoo. And then the second shampoo is gonna be the cream conditioning cleanse from Mizani. And that is basically what I'm gonna do from scalp to end. So the first shampoo is really all about my scalp. Don't forget, I've already got the hydration on my end. And the second shampoo is gonna be from scalp to ends. And then I'm gonna put actually the Moroccan clay steam mask back on just for a few minutes while in the shower. I'm gonna rinse, apply my curly products, diffuse, and then I will see you back for the final results. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. Guess who's got soft hair? This girl, not crunchy anymore. All due to my pre-shampoo treatment. So I treated my scalp. Remember, healthy scalp equals healthy hair. And I treated my hair, which ends up with super shiny, luscious curls. I want to thank you so much for joining me here at Hair.com. Don't forget to follow me at Tippi Shorter. I'll see you next time.